Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and another new video on the lead code daily question. So today's question is path with the maximum probability. So here we will be given an undirected weighted graph of nodes n, and we will be given the age list which represents the ages of I is equals to a comma b, where a comma b represents the starting and ending, like a to b, and success probability of I will represent the probability of reaching those nodes A to B. And we will be given the start node and end node, and we have to find the path with the maximum probability of success to go from start to end and return the success probability. So we have to return the maximum probability here. So we will be using the algorithm like the Dijkstra algorithm, but here we will be finding the maximum probability. So, and we will be multiplying this probability to get the accuracy of the probability. So here we are given three nodes and ages this, and success probability are given. We have to go from 0 and end on 2. So here you can see that there are two paths from 0 to 2. Like 0 to 2, it will cost 0.2 probability, and uh, 0, 1 and 2. This path will take off 0.5 into 0.5, which will make us 0.2500. So this will be the maximum probability here. So we will be returning this. So let's go to the code and understand how it's going. So here we will be first finding the we are given with the int n, number of nodes, ages list, and success probability, and start and end index and nodes. Okay. So here we will be first make the adjacency list matrix. So here for ages of I of 0, we will be pushing the edges of I comma 1 comma success probability of that connection. Same for this because it is undirected. So here we got the adjacency list. So now we will be taking this distance array for storing the distance probability, and distance is equals to start is 0. Like initially probability will be 1, and then we will be push the current node into the queue that we have created and do this traversing like the BFS. So first we will take this current element q dot front, q dot pop, and then we will traverse through the adjacent elements. Like for initially we will be pushing start for this example, let's see it is 0. So after 0 the queue is empty. We will not get then queue is not empty as we have pushed the start node, and in current is equals to q dot front will give the to 0. So we will be finding the adjacency elements of this 0. So while we are iterating into it, and we will take the next node by it dot first, which will be connection of this current node, and we will take the probability, and we will multiply the new probability with the current probability, and then we will check that if the new probability is greater than current probability, we will be assigning to it, and we will push the next node here. And after all, we will be returning the probability of the last indicator. So this is the code for this question. So let's submit this. So here you can see that the code got submitted. Thank you.